Good morning, my amazing friends. My name is Natalia. If you are first time on my channel, welcome. I'm happy to have you here and glad you make it. Today we have unboxing. Looks like a very big long design something. So this box arrived from ArtDear. I already have one video unboxing from this store, and today we have something very pretty, something, look at that, so colorful. I cannot remember what I have in here, but I already love and what I see. Oh my god, chrysanthemums, I think that's flowers. I love what I see already. This is velvet canvases, very good, high quality, and look at that, made kind of like a scallop. I have to show you. Oh, this is how it made. Very sparkle glittery canvas, good quality, and I see already that has a separation of the squeaky sheet cover from 50-50, so it would be easy to do one side then go to another one. And oh my god, this is something so gorgeous. Look at this already. Look how beautiful this design. Oh, so amazing. Look at this arch doorway. She's in a forest, very magical forest. Okay, so the design not as long as I thought, but you know what, it was a nice and a very big box, because my first unboxing I did, I think from this store, the canvas was a little bit folded and I was complaining to the store not to do that. So this time they sent a much longer box, which I appreciate. They do listen, and look how gorgeous. Wow, look at this magical tree. It's the fairyland probably. If we do this way, no glare this way, but if this way, just because of the folds, how they was rolled, so create kind of fold. But look at that, that doorway, so pretty. Look her dress, so many ruffles and shading, going to be awesome. What else I love about that, look at those mushrooms, the magical mushrooms. The flowers, chrysanthemums, obviously they don't grow in the woods, but it creates a beautiful addition in here. Whole bunch of butterflies everywhere. Look at this one, so pretty. Let's see the print on the canvas. Looking good, I think. Looking good. How about quality of the glue? Let's check it out. Oh yeah, they have a very sticky glue. Yeah, I like the first time, I like them now. Look at this layer of the glue. We can wiggle a little bit. Looking good. Very sticky, and diamond sticking to it, very nice, because I already do ArtDear. Did we start it? Yes, I think we already started to create one of the design and test it out. ArtDear, which design? I think I have already one in my webs. So in here, wow, I can imagine how beautiful the green colors this will be. And the toolkit, same as the first time, the tweezers, 1 placer, 3 placer, medium size of the tray, and lots of wax. They sure put lots of wax every time, not skimpy for them. This design is 60 by 60 centimeters. I already love the colors I see in here. So what kind of specialty in here? Because if you don't know yet nothing about the store, watch my first unboxing to see what kind of design I unbox my first time. This is my second unboxing for this store. They do have regular diamonds, square and round. They do have them in AB colors, in fairy dust colors. So there's lots of different kind of diamonds. Can be seen here better. I know it's also very tiny picture, but look at this. In here, kind of background looks more like a blue because of the printer ink, never going to be the same look. So in here kind of look more blue. In here is, oh, come on, give me focus. In here is all green. Looks so foresty. Obviously you're not gonna see blue in a forest because it's a woody area. So we have in here lots of, oof, hold on. This, okay. Yeah, the separation on two sides in here. So it's actually very comfortable to open and work on one side, and then you're not going to be sticking. You can put your extra tools. Excuse me. I just sneezed. Okay, I was trying to keep it quiet. Happens, you know, not expectable. Okay, I see some diamonds on the loose, and they are all different color. So I think what happened when the diamonds back, sometimes they go on the top of the Ziploc and they just coming out later. But look at all the green colors. Wow, the shading. I just have to show you like this because the shading in here going to be so magical. Wow, lots of colors of green, and let's keep going and going. This one from lighter shade. There's a more green. Wow, I can't even hold them all. Look at this one. Don't you think the shading on this canvas is going to be gorgeous? Wow. Then we have some blue. Yeah, I think they got escape. This blue diamonds escape from this bag. And I have one dark one. Blue, blue. So what we have from like a bright colors. Some purple. Let's see this kind of colors. Or some shading like that. And some blue. 3 colors. This one kind of considered too blue or more like the ocean blue. Yeah, lots of green. Look at that. More. And some darker colors and brown and kind of face color. Some yellow. Lots of browns. Well, not lots of browns. Well, kind of. Depends what you call lots, because this one also kind of go into the brown family. There's this one kind of between like a orange or brown, what you consider probably brown shade. Wow, colors is beautiful, and because it's all this minty, I know I like to call them minty. Maybe they're not minty at all. Some dark diamond in here. What color is that? Probably from this bag escape. Let's put them up there. I don't want to end up on the floor. Love it, everything about this design. It's just so gorgeous, and she is going to be pretty. It's not much like she's the main character in this design, but I think the really main character in here is this arch. It is so beautiful, so gorgeous. And yeah, design is 60 by 60 centimeters, and I think it's 60 by 60 centimeters the whole canvas together with the edges, or not. Let me check for you. If you don't mind, I will go and grab my ruler to see. 60 by 60. I will go all the way from edge of the canvas, so 30 will be here. Yeah, definitely the whole canvas. That's together with the edges, this store. What do you think? I'm absolutely loving it. I love it. That is so beautiful. Look at that. It's going to be so much fun. Okay, I see 2 more of the blue escape. Not sure what kind of, oh, it looks like this one color maybe. Let me just put in here. Sometimes they get in static and stick to the bags and then end up being in a package, but all the Ziploc bags look like tight good. Look at this one. I didn't even see before. This passage, kind of like a rocks, stones. Look at that, how beautiful the passageway. And the flowers. Oh, that's going to be so much fun to do. Everyone, and she's not fairy because she don't have any wings, but she just girl who looking for adventure, magic. She go through the arch and, you know, the door open up and she see the old and new world never seen before. What's up there? Ah, I want to know what's up there. It is absolutely stunning. 45 colors in here. And now I'm wonder if I'm missing something. It could be fairy dust maybe. Looks like, hold on, 3 colors. I think we do have a fairy dust diamonds in here. 3 colors, so I need to find 43, 44, 45. What kind of colors? One kind of like a minty. Oh, I forgot about that. Hold on. It's gonna take me, okay, 44. I see already. Oh, this minty is a fairy dust diamonds. Okay, so we have dark blue fairy dust and this beautiful blue greenish kind of. This is also fairy dust diamonds. And one more color, look, purplish. Purplish. Oh, here it is. Good thing I pay attention. There you go, I would miss that. So this one is a fairy dust and we have only 3 colors of fairy dust. That is beautiful. Should we look on the tray, this purple color? Let me pull out. I don't know if we saw before the minty color of fairy dust, but I want to see this purple one. Let's check it out. Oh, she's so gorgeous. I want you to see her. Okay, here is our fairy dust. How much do we see it? Okay, focus, coming out or not? I don't think it's focusing correctly. It's going to be very sparkle on the canvas, on the sunshine, when sun hit, or like a light, artificial light, to point it out on it. And I want to see this minty fairy dust diamonds. I don't think we see before this color. Oh, so gorgeous. Look at this beautiful color. Like right now it's hard to see. Probably going to be more visible for you to see on a big screen than I'm trying to look on the camera. But we do have some sparkle. Not too many of these diamonds. Minty, this green one probably the most. The blue just a little bit. And I have to say that designs that I tested out where they have a special drills, there is lots of leftover. So whatever you see in a bag, maybe like half will go on a canvas and half leftovers. But still, it's a good and generous amount usually they put into the baggie. So you will not run out of diamonds for sure, because the way I already, okay, this is AB, jump away, not AB, I keep saying AB, fairy dust, I'm too used to AB diamonds. The colors that I already finished from my test that I did, there's lots of diamonds always left over. Wow, what do you think about this one? It is beautiful very beautiful. Very beautiful lotus flowers and everything. Okay, don't forget to give me a comment and tell me what you think about this store. Did you order anything or not? I will link it up for you to this design, particularly to the store, and check it out, the art zone up there. I also have my own designs up there if you wish to order. Thank you, and happy shopping. Happy shopping, my friends. This is beautiful. Oh, it's gorgeous. I need to do quickly the whips that I already started so I can start on new designs because they are all gorgeous. I will see you tomorrow.